Georgia O'Keeffe has had a creative personality from a young age. Her memories of her childhood home in Wisconsin are so vivid that her explanation paints the scenery in your head. This was the earliest time that she can remember she had a proclivity for art. Her mother confirmed her memories of some of the events that took place at her house when she was just about 9 months old. American modernism is an artistic and cultural movement in the United States beginning at the turn of the 20th century with a core period between World War I and II. Her main medium was painting. She typically used oil on canvas for a majority of her works, but she dabbled into the uses of charcoal and pottery in some parts of her life. O'Keeffe was known for not revealing her processes behind her paintings because she would rather others interpret the work for themselves. Two of the techniques she hinted in an interview are that she liked to paint the same thing again and again until she had penetrated to its essence, unraveling the secret of her attraction, and the other of which, she was an artist who ultimately found her ideas in the act of making her painting. Each one was in dialogue with her inner vision and her other painting. The beginning of O'Keeffe's adventure with art did not begin randomly. She was influenced to begin painting when she was younger throughout her early years by multiple factors. One factor that contributed to her inspiration was her art teacher William Merritt Chase. This man allowed for creativity to take over the class, which O'Keeffe appreciated very much. New Mexico was also a big factor. After her husband passed away, she moved there and fell in love with the land. Some of her most famous landscapes were based off her affection for New Mexico. Every major artist has one well-known piece, maybe even two, but Georgia O'Keeffe has dozens that stand out from the rest. Two very popular paintings she has done are Black Iris III and The White Calico Flower. The Black Iris III was created in 1926 with oil on canvas. This painting went skyrocketing with reviews by important figures, magazines, and newspapers. Another very popular painting was The White Calico Flower, which was created in 1931. In an interview, she spoke of the painting and told the viewers a little more about her idea behind creating it. In the interview, she said, "So I said to myself, I'm going to paint what I see, what the flowers mean to me, but I will paint it big and make the people take time to look at it. I'll even make busy New Yorkers take the time." Her paintings were meant to express her emotions and connect with her inner being and make people stop and really focus on it and break it down from their own perspectives. These two paintings are very successful in the means of recognition and value. Neither of them are for sale, as they are displayed in her museum located in Santa Fe, New Mexico. Georgia O'Keeffe has left an impact as the most popular and influential female artist. Her images are seen all over the world and recreated for the public to purchase. Besides painting, she took part in the feminist movement. O'Keeffe was a member of the American Modernist Innovators, who embraced the liberating power of abstraction and the mechanical innovations of photography, but her work looks like no one else. The journey you take for someone to become an artist is long and rough, but for Georgia O'Keeffe, made it possible to follow her dream to be an artist. Her persistence, passion, and drive for art all came together to form herself in modern art.